this is Toy Picnic here today, and we have Nerf guns, but I don't see them. Where they are?
These are 6 toys from Burger King Kids Meals. They are Nerf guns.
Oh,
Did y'all save me one?
wait, I don't think so. We got the same. Oh wait, but it's different. It's not really purple though. This one's my favorite. This one's my favorite.
So many toys. Which one should we open first? For the numbers?
That one. This one.
This one looks cool. It's got some purple colors and some white and some blue.
That one's my favorite.
It says Nerf SuperSoaker on the side. Whoa. This guy right here moves back and forth. And I'm thinking we put water in the top. And we can use it as a water gun.
Oh yeah.
It's got 2 barrels. That looks intimidating. This is made in China.
China.
And so supposedly you can take all these toys and you can lock them together and make and create different configurations to your own style.
Oh wow!
So maybe that's what this slot is right here for. We're going to try that out. Now we need some water.
Oh yeah. I would go get a bowl and a cup. And this bowl is not filled with water. I need to fill it up with this.
Fill it up for us, Shelby.
Oh!
Whoa, you
What's
filled it up.
up
Check
here?
that out. What are all those toys down in there?
It is.
Are they taking a bath?
It's a Squinky Dewdrop and it is a crab.
Well, that's
what
very
else?
fitting. The crab being in the water.
We got a jewelry box and it's a Shopkin.
Wow.
We got Piglet off of Winnie the Pooh.
Ooh, I love bacon.
Want to chop you?
Ah! So we open the lid and we're trying to fill it up, get all the bubbles out. Maybe we gotta do some of this.
Okay. Are you gonna do that, Shelby? I just squirt right in my mouth.
Was it yummy?
Oh, and we got a Pokemon.
Did it taste like Piglet Water?
And ew.
Wow, strawberry! Next up, this one looks a lot like the first one,
But it has a circle.
but it's got a circle on the end. Check this out. It says Nerf SuperSoaker. And it's just like the other one. You have a lid on the top. You can fill it with water. Oh no, Sunny C! Here's the third toy. Ooh, this one came with a piece of cardboard. It's a zombie. I think we maybe fold it and this could be our target. Maybe. Does he look scary?
Yeah.
This one looks really cool. It looks like it has wings on the side. And it's got a zombie logo. On the back it says Burger King. Let's see if we can figure this one out. Oh no! Oh, maybe this one isn't the water gun. Is that right?
Maybe.
Oh, that's what it is. You press this in. This is the dart. It's got a zombie logo on the front. And when you press this button on the back.
The zombies are not staying up.
Stand up, zombie. We're gonna shoot you.
He wants to be lazy.
Ah.
I think it's too wet.
All right, we're gonna try it. Y'all ready?
Yeah.
Ah, ha, ha. That's awesome. Whoa, check out our fourth toy. What do we do here? I think this is another launcher. It says Burger King Nerf Strike Elite, made in China.
China.
And we insert it in right here. Did y'all hear it click?
Yeah.
And here's the button on the side. It says Nerf, of course. What? That was crazy.
This dude's getting too wet. Should we put him in the water?
I'm a wet zombie. This is our 5th toy. Will it be a water gun or will it be a launcher?
Launcher. Water gun.
Sunny C's excited. This one came with a Zombie Strike disc. It's got a Z on the side. And here's the button. It says Nerf. And I'm thinking we put the disc into our launcher.
That looks
Y'all
like
ready?
pizza inside. Yeah.
What? Wow, that was cool.
We did it.
Alright, so Sweet Tea is going to shoot it at the people at home.
How did you know I was going to do that?
Because I'm a smart zombie.
Smart zombie.
Oh no, Daddy D! I'm ruling the world! Here's our last and final toy. Will it be a launcher or a water squirter?
Launcher. You know there is tears on there.
Really?
Yeah.
So it's got Nerf on the top of it. What is this thing? Is it just a tail? Okay, maybe that doesn't do anything. On the side we have this lever. Maybe this is the launching lever. Whoa, did y'all see that in there?
Me.
So I think we take this guy right here. It says Newark Strike. We shove it in the end. You ready, Sunny C? Oh no! You want to do it? Oh no! Ow! Hit me right in the stomach. Oh no!
I'm gonna shoot y'all people at home.
Oh no! So you can actually take all of these and connect them together. They'll have this thingy on the top and they have this thingy on the bottom. And what you can do is snap them together like this.
I finished.
Check that out. And so you can have a launcher and you can have a squirter. And you can actually keep connecting them together. Check this out.
One more. No. Mom. Whoa.
Oh, where's this thing go? Maybe right here.
Water just turns on you.
And so we've got 1, 2, 3, 4 launchers and 1, 2 water guns. Does that look cool or what? Y'all check this thing out. It's like a cool rocket ship.
Oh yeah, with the wings on the bottom. Party and a launcher.
Oh no! Oh no!
Fight and a water fight.
That would be awesome.
This is fun.
That's not a water squirter, Sunny C.
Let's go on to this one. No, not me.
Sonny, say you're making a mess! Mama, help me! So these are some really cool toys from Burger King kids meals that we looked at today.
Yeah.
4 launchers, 2 squirters. What did y'all think about them?
Cool.
So thanks for watching and we will see y'all next time.
Bye. See you Bye.
Oh no!